We have red color. Capital A for airplane, A for arm, A, red color, A, yellow color. Capital B for butterfly, B for banana, B, sky blue color. Capital C for car, C for cake, C, orange color. Capital D for duck, D for dog, D, red color. Capital E for elephant, E for egg, E, green color. F for fish, F for frog, F, orange color. Capital G for grapes, G for gate, G for goat, G, green color. Capital H for horse, H for hen, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.